One of the hottest trends in weight loss is paleo, which follows one simple rule. If a caveman didn't eat it, neither should you. And since the diet consists of meat and vegetables, it's hard to satisfy your sweet and salty taste buds. Since I'm a girl that likes a challenge, we at Bestowed searched high and low for the best snacks for the paleo dieter. Like the Epic Bar, a 100% animal-based protein bar designed as nature intended. Or Sea Snacks, sustainably harvested roasted seaweed. This is the perfect snack for the boredom binger. It's just 16 calories per pack, so go crazy. We also have coconut butter packs by Artisan, making a nice savory breakfast or snack spread. And Miracle Noodles for the pasta-deprived paleo dieter. These are the perfect side to any meal, and best of all, they're no calories. For the best paleo dessert, you have to try Matt's Munchies. Just 35 calories, and they take forever to eat. So there you have it, paleo snacks even a caveman or woman could enjoy.